Wow guys, very nice look guys. She animals, farm animals, with animals. So let's get start this video. See animals. Wow. So side this animals. So first guys, frog. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Frog color combination, amazing. Back look is beautiful guys. Frog. Wow, very nice look guys. Frog design amazing. So side this frog. And the next guys, tortoise. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Tortoise, beautiful, amazing guys. Look. Tortoise, realistic guys. Tortoise figure. Wow, so side this guys, tortoise. And the next guys, snake. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Simple snake. Amazing guys, look, simple snake. Design is so amazing guys. Realistic guys, beautiful figure guys. Simple snake. So side this. And the next guys, starfish. Wow guys, very nice look guys. Starfish. Amazing guys, design, beautiful look guys. Starfish. So side this. And the next guys, crocodile. Wow guys, beautiful look guys. Red crocodile, amazing guys. Design, red crocodile. Look is beautiful. Wow, so side this guys, red crocodile. And the next guys, shark fish. Beautiful look guys. Shark fish, amazing guys. Design, color combination is really awesome guys. Shark fish. So side this. And the next guys, dolphin. Wow, it's very cute animals. Dolphin. Fish, dolphin fish. So side this. And the next guys, lizard. Very nice figure guys. Lizard, amazing guys. Realistic, red yellow combination. Guys, very nice look guys. Lizard, amazing design. So side this guys, lizard. And the next guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys. Spider, amazing, black white combination guys. Very nice look guys. Spider, beautiful look guys. Spider. So side this spider. And next guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys. Ant, amazing guys. Design, black green combination guys. Back look is beautiful. Ant figure, amazing guys. Design. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, crab. Beautiful look guys. Crab, realistic, amazing guys. Design is so nice figure guys. Crab design is so beautiful. So side this. And next guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys. Cobra snake, amazing design. And really beautiful look guys. Cobra snake. So side this pouch. And guys, next guys, farm animals. Open. Wow guys, beautiful look guys. Farm animals. So first guys, pig. Beautiful look guys. Pig figure, amazing guys. Design, really beautiful. Color combination is really amazing figure. Sheep, pig figure, really beautiful. Back look is guys, very nice pig. So side this guys, pig figure. And next guys, wow guys, beautiful look guys. Cock, white red combination, amazing guys. Look guys, cock. This design is so nice figure guys. Cock, really beautiful guys. Cock figure. So side this. And guys, next figure guys, horse. Wow guys, red black white combination guys, very nice look guys. Horse design amazing. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, big size, really awesome figure guys. Horse design is so nice figure. So side this. And the next guys, sheep. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, sheep figure, amazing guys. Wow, yellow white red combination guys, very nice look guys. Sheep this wow. Design is so nice figure. So side this. And next guys, next, wow guys, beautiful look guys. God, amazing guys, design god figure, white red combination guys, very nice look figure guys. God, amazing guys, realistic figure guys. God. So side this. So side this. And guys, next guys, chicken. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, chicken figure, amazing guys. Color combination is really beautiful guys. Wow guys, very nice look guys, chicken. So side this. And next guys, cow guys, beautiful look guys, black white combination, amazing look guys. Cow color combination is really beautiful look guys. Cow figure. So side this guys, cow. And next guys, peacock, very nice look guys. Peacock, beautiful high finishing animals guys. Peacock back look is guys, very nice. Color combination is really awesome figure guys. Peacock figure. So side this. So side this first. And guys, next guys, build animals. So open. Wow guys, beautiful look guys, build animals. So guys, first figure guys, chimpanzee, very nice look guys. Chimpanzee, amazing guys. Look, back look is beautiful guys. Chimpanzee.
And I absolutely love it.
Design is so nice figure guys. Chimpanzee, look is beautiful. So side this guys, chimpanzee. And the next guys, fox, beautiful look guys. Fox figure, amazing guys, really beautiful look guys. Fox figure. Wow, back look is amazing guys. Fox design is so nice figure. So side this guys, fox. And the next guys, snow leopard, beautiful look guys. Snow leopard, amazing guys. Look, wow guys, beautiful figure guys. Snow leopard. So side this. And the next guys, elephant guys, beautiful look guys. Black elephant, design is so amazing guys. Look, black elephant, beautiful look. Wow, so nice figure guys, black elephant. So side this. And the next figure guys, pangolin, beautiful look guys. Pangolin figure, amazing guys. Back look is beautiful guys. Pangolin design is so amazing figure. So side this guys, pangolin. And guys, next figure guys, zebra horse, black white combination guys, very nice look guys. Zebra horse figure, amazing.
Wow.
And realistic back look is guys, very nice. So side this, zebra horse. And guys, next figure guys, deer, high finishing animals guys. Deer figure, amazing guys. Really beautiful figure, guys. Deer. So side this, guys, deer. And the next, guys, wow, guys, beautiful look, guys, greater flamingo. Amazing design and really awesome figure, guys, greater flamingo.